Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going over another moveset. Today we're going over Explosion Hero. It's gonna be fun. Exploding. Alright, this guy commented from my last video by this person named Giant Bullets. Check out their channel. Anyways, going over the moveset and Fury Ignition, the ultimate, and guess what guys? This moveset has two ultimates. Two. You're gonna like it. My mouse. Anyways, let's start. Okay, first combo. 1, 2, 3. Down slam, ground canyon, explosion combo, and ground cannon again. You guys seen that ground cannon has two variants right there? You can do it first, then you can do it again. Okay, next combo. 1, 2, 3. Down slam, powered shot. Powered shot again, and then blast cat. Blast catapult. Guys, I totally did blast catapult right there. But yeah, you have to like time it perfectly to do that. It's kind of hard. It took me a long time to master that move. Anyways, let me just get this guy. Bada boom. Yippee! Alright, show you another combo. 1, 2, 3. Explosion combo. Ground cannon. Blast catapult. And bam. Seen that? Okay, let's move on to the ultimate. Okay, guys, I got it. Fury Ignition. Okay, with this moveset we have 3 moves, and this move right here called 10th Torch. When I click it, you see I can't do it because I need to do 80 damage to unlock it. Look at, see this power meter? It went up a smidge because I did it. I hit it again. 73. See, it got the more damage I do, the more closer I can use to move the move. Anyways, first move, eruption dive. Up this guy and loop. Bruh, I missed him by an inch, a millimeter or something. Alright, next move, infernal shot. Fire. Anyways, this is an animation move called exploding star. Amazing. Oh, I'm so close. Where's NPC? Lost. Anyways, I need you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this move, 10th Torch. It's an animation. Pretty cool. Look at me, just get close to this guy real fast. Okay. When I do this, it summons one of my random friends. Like this guy's one of my friends. To do it. Guys, seen that? It did that blast, and look at the guy, the NPC got complete one tapped. Anyways, here's the new moveset called 10th Torch. Okay, first move, mine. This one, you want to be kind of close for them because it just blasts you forward. If you don't grab them, it won't work. And there, pretty cool. Anyways, next move, blitz kick. Boop. Amazing. Anyways. This move, blast away, it does the most damage, and it's, look at, grab it and go. And I don't know how, but the NPC literally has its own chat here. See, I think it's like sorry or something. Anyways, oh, this move, oh, nuke, oh man, let's nuke this place, guys. Yeah. And you can use my mouse to look where you want, and it's kablooey. And when you do this, it actually kills you. I know, like, it killed me. I died at it. Let's get back over there really fast. Okay, guys. I just really fast got 10th Torch back. Now time for the combos. Okay, first combo. 1, 2, 3, down, blitz kick. Wait, blitz kick, then mine. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright. 1, 2, 3, uppercut, and press. Yeah, it said there's something under blitz kick. Alright. Hey, 1, 2, 3, down stab. Oh, if you click blitz kick twice, it actually does a double explosion. Cool. I didn't actually notice. I don't know how I noticed. It's 1, 2, 3, and then blood. Amazing. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Now just blast him away. Now hit him with the nuke. Say bye bye, buddy. Pop, Bluey. Oh, that's. I was just playing. Oh. Bro, how did bro not get hurt? Bro's just. Wait, I need to get back over there real fast. Wait. Alright. Yeah. How did bro not get hurt? Like, tell me your secrets. Oh wait a minute, I didn't even hit him. Bro, I appreciate. Oh no, that's the line I made. Butter. Alright, guys, that would be it. That's enough for today. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. And have a good day.